To take pictures with an extra shutter button in the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open camera up, tap camera to open, and then you must change in rear camera, and then tap settings icon, scroll to the screen, select shooting methods, and then on floating shutter button, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Floating shutter button just work in rear camera. Take picture with an extra shutter button. You can move anywhere on the screen, and you can see extra shutter button in here, but not in front camera. To remove the settings icon, and then on setting methods, the floating shutter button switch until gray to turn off floating shutter button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.